Hey you guys, it's me again, doing a box break. This time, Bowman Platinum. Ooh. Another retail pack. I got 2 of them. Finished off that gift card that I had. Thought, what better way to do so than Bowman Platinum. Anyway. Also, I was in Target and they had one of those boxes that I opened that one time that had the autograph in it, the automatic, one autograph per box or whatever. Someone had ripped it open, left everything inside, but they had ripped open the box. Yeah, I did have to peek into it to see what was still in there, but I did do the right thing and I turned it in. And I did not take anything out of it. So I'm hoping that is good omens for these boxes here. So let's go ahead and break into them. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got this card the other day. Will Myers. Pretty sweet. Autograph. Okay, now these cards were tucked into this box. Really weird. Let's see. Do the one box first. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Oscar Taveras. That's I'm searching for his autograph. Currently, that's my mission. So, Rosenthal. And I'm assuming this is actually impressive. This is a full Cardinal -1 card. This is all Cardinals. I believe that this might be the Sapphire? I've never seen a Sapphire one, but it does look blue and sapphire-y. Man. So I'm assuming that's what this is, the Sapphire. I don't know. A lot of Cardinals in that one, though. That's pretty cool. And then Steve, whatever, Romero. Oh. Roman Quinn. I'm not sure what type of refractor this is. That's pretty cool. I wonder if that would be the X refractor. Looks like it's got little X's in there, kind of. I'm not really sure if anybody knows. Just leave a comment. Tell me what it is. Keep it going. Beltron. This is a yellow one. We got a. I'm assuming that'd be gold and 1 gold, 1 sapphire. Can't really say. Dickey Jonathan Singleton. It's a shiny Matt Barnes. Oh. Man, it gets too shiny for the thing. Anyway, top prospect, Archie Bradley. Golly, man. Painful. Gee, finally. Anyway. Miller. Let's put him beside this guy. Oh. Stan Musial. Ask for Bloney bubblegum. That's kind of cool. This is just a portrait. I'm trying to see what they call this card. Like, what would be the? Would it be Diamond in the Rough? Best Bowman players of all time, possibly. Anyway, that's a really cool card. This is a great Cardinal pack, box, whatever. That's my team, everybody, so just in case you're wondering why I'm like excited about that, that's why. Jose Batista. It's like a red. These are pretty cool cards. Evan Gattis, rookie. I might try to buy some more of these, some hobby at some point, because I'm really digging the look of these. I've opened them before, but now that they're usually all just base cards, and I really like a lot of the different refractors and things like that. Bryce Harper, James Shields, Royals. First one like that I've gotten. It's kind of neat. Was with the Rays for a little bit, and they traded. I like him with the Royals, though. I'm not a Royals fan, but I like him with them. The rookie card. Kyle Zimmer. Kansas City Royals. Another, like, platinum moment, whatever. Trout, Rendon. Box 2. Still looking for an autograph. I don't think I pulled one yet from these type of boxes. These Bowman Platinums. Is coming soon. Another Beltran. I think that's a base though. Courtney Hawkins. Will Myers, which I'll keep that. Look at that. Look at that, fancy. Lincecum. I haven't seen a lot of him this year on card wise. David Dahl, another one of these. So I've never even seen this cut. I got 2. Joe Mauer gold refractor. They're colorful, I'll tell you that. Our top prospect, Mason Williams. CJ Cron. Flea. Aaron Sanchez. Shiny. Oh, it's Gary Sanchez. Aaron Sanchez and Gary Sanchez. Yeah. It's a goofy looking kid. Jose Barrios. It's like John Jay's little brother or something. Freddie Freeman, again, I'm assuming that's the Sapphire. Eddie Rosario. Adam Jones. Last one. Show me the money. I rarely even sell good cards that I have, so I don't know. Really, I don't really care what they're worth. I just like good cards. Sandoval, gold. Can't tell. Something. This one feels like different for some reason. It just feels different. Anyway. I guess it's probably the same. Anyway. So that's it. That's the Bowman Platinum 8 packs. I didn't get anything outstanding, but I got some cool stuff. These, got a couple of these. Oscar Taveras. A couple golds, got a couple of these cuts. Let's see here, a red, and this one's probably my favorite out of these two boxes. I'm not quite sure, if these have any kind of monetary value, if they're just like pretty much inserts. Either way, it's a really cool card, and I'm a huge Musial fan, an even greater Cardinal fan. So, definitely hang on to that one. Another top prospects. Alright. So I got a blue and a gold Carlos Beltran. No longer with the Cardinals, but it was fun while it lasted with them. Anyway, so that's what I had. Enjoy.